Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. How are you all, dear students? Hope you are well. I am your computer teacher for class 9 from IYS school. Today our topic is Introduction to Computer. So we are going to learn about the unit Introduction to Computer. Now we have shared some instruction. Don't raise hand during the lecture. Ask question at the end of the lecture in chat box. Use hand-free if you are using mobile and headphone for the computer use. Feed your ID and password properly with your name and class. Take care of time for the attending the class. Home task should be done in your fair copy of the subject. If there is any disconnectivity during the lecture, try to join again with the 5 to 10 minutes. Don't turn on your video during the lecture. Unit number 1. Introduction to computer. See the page number 1. Definition of computer. What is computer? Computer is an electronic device for storing and processing data. A computer is a machine that can program to accept data, processing data into useful information and store it for later use. Computer is an electronic machine which takes data through input devices, then process and generate it result through output devices. Computer is an electronic machine which receives data or as input, processing in according to the given instruction and given result on output. Computer is a highly complex machine, but it used very simple. Computer can do any job quickly, easily. That is why it is used in different fields like science, engineering, education, medical, industry, and communication. Computer can store data or information internally and externally. To store data internally, it is used microchip. For external storage, floppy disk, hard disk, or CD is used. Computer can perform calculation. It can do addition, subtraction, multiply, and division. Computer can print data or information with the help of printer. The printer print data very fast and can produce attractive print out, even in color. Computer can draw picture and diagram with the help of drawing software. The shape, size, and color of a picture or diagram can be changed easily. Video game can also be played on the computer. Video game is software which provides the facility to play a game. Many different game software are available in the market, which can be installed, load on the computer to play. Computer have a the computer may appear to be a magnetic box to the layman. The computer is not only a calculator which works automatic, but also a electronic get, gadget for the multiply string of the work of the number, and number is the word processing or in other word data processor. A computer is an electronic device which is capable of receiving input and giving output, and is able to store and process the information. The computer configuration is collection of the machine which form a complete computer system. Each machine can be keyboard for the entering data, a mouse for the moving cursor around window, a monitor to display the program or printer to print the result, a CPU to process the data, and the disk storage where we store data. Now that we have examined what computer do, let's look again at computer definition. A computer is a fact and a accurate symbol manipulating system that is organized to accept, store, and process data and produce output result under the direction of a store program over instruction inside system unit. Inside the system unit, you can find explanation, sort, and the explanation part for video, fax, mouse, printer. Power supply is the main component of inside the system unit. It converts AC current into DC current required by the computer. It ensures that the output current is good and steady so that the computer can operate properly. Power supply contains a fan to keep system unit cool. It works like an fan, providing the continuous flow of the fresh air inside system unit. A normal personal computer should have a minimum 2000 volt capacity power supply. Motherboard is the main largest board inside system unit. It contains main CPU or microprocessor, coprocessor, memory, keyboard, connector, explanation, sort to connect other drives like mouse, scanner, printer, etc. CPU is the brain of computer. The function of CPU is to solve the given problem or any kind of the task under the instruction which it obtained from any of the input device. Computer performance directly depend on the CPU that are using and performance of CPU depend on model version and speed of that particular CPU. Model specified model number assigned to each CPU in increasing order for the power, speed and performance. Each model of the CPU has a specified version such as SX, DX, etc. In SX less powerful than DX and DX is a less powerful DX. Speed of the CPU is a measure in the megahertz. The higher this value, the faster information to process by CPU. CPU is divided into four parts: arithmetic logic unit, control unit, register memory. Arithmetic unit or ALU, all numeric and logical process is done in this unit. Instruction and data or the transfer from the memory unit to this unit for the performing the necessary processing. After processing, the output is again sent to the memory unit for the further disposal. Control unit or CPU CU control the flow of instruction and data from the memory to ALU as well as it directs the output to the peripheral devices at the appropriate time. It acts as navigator and keep track of the availability of the particular device at any particular time in order to optimize their utilization. A special store location has the specified store capacity. It handles the movement of the information between the various units of the computer at high speed. The computer uses a numbers of registers. These registers are not considered as a part of the main memory. Computer needs memory to store input data, output data, and between result of any mathematical or logical operation. Computer memory is divided into number of cells. Each of these cells can store on characters such as KB, XZ. One character is represented by 1 byte. For more numbers of characters, use kilobyte, megabyte, and gigabyte as unit of storage. The following table describes some common terms used the storage capacity: byte, kilobyte, megabyte, and gigabyte. RAM is the abbreviation of random access memory. It means can be read from the written randomly. And now we start the full form of the computer. C for commonly for operating and for machine, P for particular, U for use for, T for training, E for education, and R for research. Advantages and disadvantages of computer. advantages. A large of information can be stored in the computer. Computer helps the teacher and student learning. Typing can be done on the computer. The student can be used it for advanced learning. Online learning is also computer provided. Using computer for a longer time may affect your eyes. It consumes enough electricity. Buying computer is difficult because it is very expensive. Computer take large space and space table. Children spend much in watching movies and playing games. Uses of computer in various fields of the daily life: business, banking, insurance, education, marketing, healthcare, hospital, military, communication. Business. Computer used in business organization for budgeting, sales analyzing, managing employees, database, maintenance of stock. Computer can keep the record of all the employees and prepare their monthly pay bills in matter of minutes. A computer can carry out automatic check on the stock of the particular item. Businessmen to prepare a lot of letter transaction of many money between people and bank. Computer help them in many ways. Banking. Computer can we use the bank online got accounting facility which include current balance, interest charges, share and trust report. ATM machine are making it even easier for customer to deal. In most of the bank, a computer system is located centrally and branches and combined with the terminal. These terminals, which are connected to the centrally to located computer system, give the staff of these branches the online accounting facility. This enables them to obtain from the central system the information such as current balance, deposit, overdraft, overdraft, interest, charges, etc. Under computer control, customers counting statement and prepares an output and receive on pre-printed stationery. Check clearness in the bank and is done by the magnetic inspector reader. Auto cash teller. In well-known example of the computer use the banking, we provide easy cash withdrawal facility to 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It also allows you to clear check the balance in your account. Number three, insurance. We have used the computer in insurance. How to continue with the policies, starting date of the policies, next due installment of the policies, and bonus. Education. Computers are being used to conduct lessons of the all subject in manner by the which students directly learn from the computer. Students are able to read text as well as see diagram on the screen. Computer can make learning fun. A computer is a powerful teaching aid. It is like having another teacher in the classroom. Computers are used in the school to give practice in the basic skill. There are credit spelling, English, and the math program. Number four is marketing. Now for marketing, computer can use the market advertising at home shopping, health and care, hospital. Computer can be used for diagnostic system, lab diagnostic system, patient monitoring system. Computer can be used the military. Computer is used the military communication, military operation and planning. Communication. Computer. Uh, we use the computer in email, chatting, use net, and the airport and railway station. People need to travel from the one place to another place. They use means of the transport like car, train, plane. Computer assist in designing, controlling, and also in testing their part of the proper functioning. Airline, railway use computer technology in making ticket for the travel, preparing list of the people traveling, storing detail for the trip met by the training, keeping and updating the departure and arrival timing of the place. In billing department, electronic gas and telephone companies use high-speed computer preparing monthly bills for the thousand of the customer. In medicine, computer are widely used in the hospital where modern way of the healthing and the possible by the using computerized machine and the device. Computer are the helping for the doctor and detect and the diagnostic this and keeping information about the patient. And number uh, home. Many parents are buying personal computer for their children, and computer is also available for the household management by the keeping track of the family, spending or storing address on the receipt. Computer is also used for chatting on the internet for the those family their relative and the life outside of the country. Okay. What is software? And next topic is hardware. Computer hardware is the collection of all the part of your can physically touch. The physically or tangible components forming computer are called hardware. Software. A computer can program its collection of instructions that perform a specific task when executed by a computer. Windows, Visual Basic, now the antivirus, MS Word, MS Excel, and MS PowerPoint. There are two types of software: system software and application software. System software boots the computer and to help the computer to run and program. It also helps the computer in storing data, receiving input from input devices, and sending the output to output devices. You can say that a system software is like a director of computer. The most common system software are MS-DOS and MS Windows. System software is a type of the computer programming that is designed to run a computer hardware. Example, Windows and disk drive. Application software. Application software are used to perform a special tasks. There are many different types of application software which you can use on your computer, but you may select a few of them according to your need. For doing typing work on the computer, you will select it a word processor software like MS Word. If you want to draw something on the computer, then you need a graphic software like MS Paint. If you want to talk to someone on the telephone, then a communication software like phone dialer will help you. Capability of computer. Capability of computer. Number one, speed, repetition, accuracy, logical operation, store and recall information, self-checking, self-creation. Number one is speed. A computer can process data faster than any other machine designed to perform a similar task. Repetition. The computer can tirelessly perform the same operation millions of times and exactly the same way without getting bored and tired the way of human clerk would. Number three, accuracy. The computer highly speed processing in the combined by the high accuracy result. Now the system can have a much accuracy as a computer system. Number four, logical operation. The computer can make decision based on the some condition and take alternative courses of action accordingly. Number 5. Store and recall information. The computer is like human brain as it can store fact, instruction and information and recall them when needed. Self-checking. The computer verified the accuracy of its own work by means of the petty check. Self-operating. Once the data and the program are fed into the computer's memory, the computer is capable of executing the instruction on its own without human intervention. Next heading is limitation of computer. No self intelligence, no thinking and decision making, no feeling, no learning power. A computer cannot generate information on its own. A computer cannot correct wrong instruction. A computer cannot come up with an original decision. The next heading is history and development of computer. Today, computer do much more than simply compute number. Supermarket, scanner, calculate, or grocery will keeping store inventory up to date. Computerized telephone switching center play traffic cop of the million of the call and keep line of communication untangled. An automatic teller machine, abbreviation of ATM, let us conduct banking transaction from the virtually anywhere in the world. But where did all this technology come from and where is it heading? To full understand and appreciate the impact that computers have on our lives and promises the whole of the future, it is important to understand their valuation. Okay, next is the home task. We have started the home task. Define computer and explain the advantages and disadvantages of computer. Define software and hardware. What are the capability of computer? What are the limitations of computer? Write the uses of computer in various fields of daily life and develop 10 MCQs. We have completed the lecture. Student, thank you. Allah Hafiz.